Hey everyone, welcome back to Arts by Vash. Today we are gonna learn different border designs for project. Let's go. This is the first design. I took blue color to make a border, and then I'm doing a combination of green with it. I'll draw all four borders, and then I took a black pen. I'm drawing a wavy line and will draw a leaf to it. I'll draw the leaves from all four sides and it's done. For next border design, I took highlighter pen and I'll draw lines from two sides of it and will draw some shapes on it. And it's done. Next one, I'll take green color. I'll draw a border with that and then I'll try to draw leaves. Now I'm drawing the border with pen again and will fill the leaves and it's done. For next one, I'm taking a purple and pink combination of the lines. I'll draw 3 lines and will draw leaves in it. We'll fill the leaves with the same shades that I have used earlier and it's done. For next one, I'm taking a black pen. I'm drawing the borders and will draw 5 to 6 heart shapes from both sides. I'll add the line and will draw dots in between those. You can fill or we can keep it empty as well, but I have used red and yellow color and it's done. For next one, I took green. I'll draw the border from 4 sides. Then we'll draw some flowers with black pen. And I'm drawing these lines and we'll fill the colors now like orange, yellow, and then drawing the dots on the lines. And it's done. For next one, I took pink color. I'll draw the border and will draw one line and will draw leaves to it from one side. So now we can fill this leaves with its darker shade and we'll draw the borders too. Yeah, and it's done. Next is I'm taking sky blue color and green combination and will draw horizontal and vertical lines with it. Now I'm taking black pen to draw a bow and will fill it with the blue color and it's done. Next I'm taking black color pen and drawing flowers and will draw a half circular line on all 3 borders. We'll fill that border with the green color and now we'll fill the flowers with shades of pink, light pink and dark pink, and it's done. Drawing these dots to make it look more beautiful and it's done. Next is I'm taking red color. I'll draw the border from all 4 sides and will draw a pink border with it. Next, drawing the leaves with the black pen and will draw a vertical lines to the leaves and it's done. Next is I'll take yellow color and draw 3 lines to it. I received good response on the last project border video, so I thought of making it again. So thank you so much. So now here I'll draw a wavy line and will draw a leaves to it and will fill those leaves with green color and it's done. For the next one, I'll draw the dots with yellow color and will draw a line and will draw leaves to it and will fill half leaves with black pen border and will draw some designs to it and it's done. In the next one, I am drawing the lines with the black pen and will fill the flowers with sky blue color. and it's done. Please let me know in the comments which one did you like the most. Thank you so much for watching.